This cowl is worked in 4-color woven knitting. This is worked in the round, and at the end of round, you'll find a decorative faux seam. This cowl is worked in a marl. At any time, you will be working with 2 yarns. 2 of the yarns will be called the main colored yarns, and that will be the main colored marl. The other 2 yarns will be the contrast colored yarns. That will be the contrast colored marl. My main colored yarns are dark pink and dark blue. My contrast color yarns are light pink and light blue. You will work your 2 main colors on odd numbered rounds and your 2 contrast colors on even numbered rounds. To keep my yarns from getting tangled, I keep my 2 main colors in one yarn sock and my 2 contrast colors in another yarn sock. The cables and their colors are established in the setup rounds. Once established, the cables will either travel to the right or travel to the left. The cable will continue traveling in one direction until it reaches the edge. When it reaches the edge, it changes direction. This happens near the beginning of round and also near the end of round. Here we see a cable that's traveled to the left and changes direction.